Just snag the new iPad Pro M4? We've got you covered. This video dives into the 25 essential accessories specifically designed to unlock the full potential of your iPad Pro. From productivity boosters to creative essentials, we'll show you how to take your iPad experience to the next level. Unleash seamless multi-device control with the Inateck KB01103 Bluetooth keyboard, an affordable alternative to the Apple Magic Keyboard. This powerhouse connects to 3 devices simultaneously via innovative Bluetooth channels, letting you switch with ease. Compatible with Windows, iPad OS, Android, and iOS, the KB01103 boasts a hassle-free setup and rechargeable battery for a cable-free workspace. Dedicated shortcut keys for both Windows and iPad OS enhance productivity, while the ultra-slim design and feather lightweight make it perfect for travel. Don't compromise on comfort. The KB01103 offers a fantastic typing experience thanks to large keycaps and a responsive touchpad. Elevate your productivity and enjoy wireless freedom with the Inateck KB01103. Ditch the neck strain and elevate your iPad experience with the CharJen Pro stand. This meticulously crafted accessory boasts a sturdy aluminum build, soft microfiber backing, and a secure magnetic connection for a stylish and stable dock. But the magic lies in its multi-hinge design, allowing effortless 360-degree rotation between portrait and landscape modes. Perfect for video calls, content creation, or browsing, the CharJen Pro stand adapts to your needs, maximizing comfort and productivity. Next up is the Logitech Crayon stylus, designed to unlock your iPad's full creative potential. This pixel-precise digital pencil offers an incredibly natural writing experience, providing unmatched accuracy and control for various tasks. Easily take handwritten notes, annotate documents, or sketch diagrams with exceptional precision and no lag. Its smart tip adjusts line weight based on tilt angle, mimicking the feel of a real pencil. Plus, with palm rejection technology, you can comfortably rest your hand on the screen without unwanted marks. Perfect for both students and professionals, the Crayon enhances your ability to write, draw, and learn using Apple Pencil-supported apps. With up to 7 hours of active use and an instantly responsive connection, this durable stylus ensures you stay productive all day long. Tired of juggling multiple chargers for your various devices? The Ugreen Nexode 65W USB-C GaN Charger simplifies your power needs with its compact design. Delivering a powerful 65W output, it quickly charges your USB-C devices, whether it's an iPad Pro or MacBook Air M2. Thanks to cutting-edge GaN technology, it's remarkably small and perfect for on-the-go use. Enjoy rapid charging. Your iPad Pro can reach 51% in just 30 minutes. Despite its power, intelligent safety features protect your devices from overcharging, overheating, and electrical faults. With broad compatibility and a foldable plug for added portability, this charger streamlines your daily charging routine. Embrace the convenience of one high-speed, go-anywhere solution. Enhance your typing experience with the Logitech Pebble Keys 2K380S, a stylish and efficient wireless keyboard. Its compact design is perfect for students, while the remarkable 36-month battery life means you won't need to recharge often. This keyboard features essential shortcuts like an emoji menu, dictation, and screenshot functions to boost your productivity. With Bluetooth 5.1 technology, it offers robust connectivity and secure pairing. The Pebble Keys 2K380S supports seamless switching between 3 devices across various operating systems, including Windows, macOS, iPadOS, and ChromeOS, using easy switch buttons. Customize your setup with the Logi Options Plus app, personalizing the 10FN keys to fit your workflow. The scooped round keys provide a comfortable, laptop-like typing feel. Designed for longevity and convenience, the Pebble Keys 2K380SE ensures uninterrupted productivity with a 3-year battery life and auto-sleep mode. Get ready to be impressed by the Shargeek Storm 2100W Power Bank, a groundbreaking device in its category. As the world's first transparent portable charger, it offers a fascinating glimpse into its inner technology. Beneath its clear exterior, it houses a powerful 25,600 mAh capacity and delivers rapid 100W charging speeds, capable of quickly powering everything from smartphones to laptops. The intelligent IPS display shows real-time charging data, including output levels, voltage adjustments, temperature monitoring, and remaining battery life. Designed for universal compatibility with multiple outputs, this power bank stands out as the ultimate accessory for your iPad Pro. It masterfully combines art and innovation to redefine portable power. Experience the ultimate protection and versatility for your iPad Pro 13 inches with the Shift Magnetic iPad case. Tailored for the latest iPad Pro models, this case is more than just a protective cover. It's a stylish accessory that enhances your iPad experience. Its ultra-stable stand, featuring wide support brackets and magnetic grooves, offers unmatched stability and up to 9 different viewing and writing angles for maximum comfort during extended use. The dual back and front cover design provides 360-degree protection against scratches and bumps, while the slim, lightweight build preserves your iPad's portability. Benefit from the secure elastic loop for your Apple Pencil, magnetic attachments for easy removal, and compatibility with second-generation Apple Pencil charging. With auto sleep-wake functionality, precision cutouts, and scratch-resistant material, this case is the ideal companion for your iPad Pro, blending style and functionality seamlessly. Introducing the pinnacle of charging solutions for all your devices. A revolutionary charger boasting 4 USB-C PD ports with advanced power distribution capabilities. Whether you need 100W for a single device or up to 165W across 4, this charger intelligently adapts to deliver the optimal charge every time. Powered by cutting-edge gallium nitride (GaN) technology, it ensures faster and more efficient charging than ever before. Certified with CE and ETL, it ensures a safe charging experience. Its sleek space-gray design, complete with a detachable power cord and convenient stand, adds a touch of elegance to any workspace. Fully compatible with the latest Apple devices, including the iPad Pro, it serves as the ultimate charging companion. Offering a swift and convenient charging solution for a range of devices, it proves to be an invaluable addition to any tech enthusiast's toolkit. Elevate your charging experience today and embrace the power of convenience and speed. Now here is a meticulously crafted protective case. Tailored exclusively for the latest iPad Pro model, it guarantees a snug fit, shielding your device from daily wear and tear without compromising on style or functionality. Noteworthy for its built-in Apple Pencil holder, which seamlessly accommodates the pencil's magnetic attachment and charging capabilities, this case also offers versatile viewing angles with dual standing positions. Its magnetic smart cover effortlessly supports Touch ID and auto-wake sleep function, ensuring your iPad is always ready when you are. Crafted from durable PU exterior, soft TPU back cover, and a microfiber lining, it delivers comprehensive protection against shocks, drops, and scratches, preserving your iPad in pristine condition. Whether for work or leisure, this case harmonizes protection, functionality, and style, making it an indispensable accessory for your iPad Pro. Maximize your workspace efficiency and productivity with the Rolling Square Edge Pro Tablet Kit. The sleek Edge Pro core serves as both a stylish tablet and phone holder, ensuring your devices are perfectly positioned for optimal viewing. Its magnetic design effortlessly docks your iPad Pro, maintaining the ideal angle for work or entertainment. Yet this kit offers more than mere holding. It's a modular ecosystem tailored to adapt to your preferences. Pair it with the fast wireless charger for cable-free power, or illuminate your setup with the adjustable Edge Pro Lite. Crafted with a solid aluminum body and durable materials, the Edge Pro core provides a sturdy foundation for endless customization options. Whether you're working remotely or unwinding during leisure time, this versatile kit redefines mobile convenience. The newest Smart Folios for iPad Pro redefine the tablet experience, offering a perfect blend of style and functionality. Engineered for versatility, they boast multiple viewing angles tailored to various activities, from binge-watching your favorite series to sketching your next masterpiece. With sleek aesthetics and a sturdy build, your device is protected from daily wear and tear, while the auto-wake sleep feature adds convenience. These folios provide a chic and efficient alternative to traditional keyboard cases, striking the ideal balance between protection, functionality, and fashion for the latest iPad Pro models. The magnetic attachment is not only secure, but also incredibly flexible, allowing you to fold the folio into different positions for reading, video calls, or typing. Get ready for the new, larger iPad Pro with a tailored screen protector designed to fit its size perfectly. Specifically crafted for the iPad Pro 13, 7th Gen 2024, this magnetic screen protector ensures an impeccable fit for your device. Featuring convenient magnetic edges, it allows for effortless attachment and quick removal, preserving the clarity of your original display. The specially treated surface provides a paper-like feel, perfect for professional-grade drawing experiences. With its bubble-free installation facilitated by magnetic attachment, this protector seamlessly integrates with a tempered glass screen protector under 0.33 mm thick, offering enhanced screen protection. Embrace the seamless blend of innovation and safeguarding with the iPad Pro 13 magnetic screen protector. Introducing the Apple Pencil Pro, transforming the drawing experience with groundbreaking innovations. Its new sensor allows you to effortlessly squeeze the barrel, instantly accessing a tool palette for seamless tool switching and color adjustments. Enhanced with a custom haptic engine, tactile feedback elevates interactions like squeezing, double tapping, and snapping to smart shapes, ensuring intuitive control. With a built-in gyroscope, precise orientation adjustments are achieved by simply rolling the pencil, while rotating the barrel mimics traditional pen and paper techniques for pen and brush tool orientations. Moreover, hover functionality enables visualizing tool orientation before drawing begins. Seamlessly integrated with Find My for easy location tracking and featuring a magnetic interface, the pencil allows for effortless pairing, charging, and storage on the iPad Pro. This advanced stylus sets a new standard for iPad-based workflows, providing a feature-rich and intuitive tool for creative tasks. Introducing the MagEZ Folio 2 for iPad Pro, an exceptional fusion of design and functionality. Crafted from a 2.3 mm thick composite fiberglass board, it strikes the perfect balance between slimness and durability. The case's magnetic design ensures effortless attachment and removal, while providing dual-sided protection against scratches, scuffs, and bumps on the move. Its innovative folding mechanism offers 4 standing angles and a stable triangle structure, ideal for vertical screen mode drawing or reading. The pen clip with hidden magnetic suction keeps your Apple Pencil securely in place. Additionally, it boasts auto-sleep wake functionality, internal microfiber protection, a PU leather texture, and precise camera cutouts. Beyond its practical features, the MagEZ Folio 2 stands out as a cost-effective option, offering a slim, stylish, and sturdy build. This folio is a must-have accessory for iPad Pro users seeking a blend of style, protection, and efficiency. The Satechi M1 Bluetooth mouse is crafted to enhance your iPad Pro experience. This ergonomic accessory seamlessly merges modern aesthetics with precise performance, effortlessly connecting to your Mac or iPad Pro via Bluetooth 5.0, providing wireless freedom up to 32 feet away. Glide through tasks with pinpoint accuracy, thanks to its optical sensor tracking and fast scrolling capabilities. The soft-touch navigation buttons and aluminum scroll wheel offer a natural, comfortable feel, while the rechargeable Type-C port eliminates the need for disposable batteries. Beyond its functionality, the M1 features a curved, ambidextrous design and brushed aluminum finish that complement your stylish workspace. Elevate your setup with this sleek, high-performance mouse, offering ergonomic design and efficient wireless control. Elevate your new iPad Pro experience with the ideal companion, Apple AirPods Pro 2nd generation. Powered by the Apple-designed H2 chip, these earbuds offer an impressive audio experience, delivering richer sound and unparalleled noise cancellation. Benefit from up to twice the active noise cancellation, perfect for immersive focus, while transparency mode keeps you connected to the world around you. With 4 silicone tip sizes for a customizable fit, enjoy comfort and an acoustic seal throughout the day. The IP54 rating ensures resilience against dust, sweat, and water, making them suitable for any activity. Take command with intuitive STEM touch controls for volume, playback, and call management. Enjoy extended battery life with up to 6 hours of uninterrupted listening. Extendable to 30 hours with the MagSafe charging case, which also introduces precision finding and versatile charging options. Elevate your listening experience with AirPods Pro, where technology meets magic. The ultra-portable 8-bit Lite 2 controller enables gaming adventures wherever you are. Weighing a mere 82 grams, this pocket-sized gamepad effortlessly slips into any bag, ensuring you're always prepared for epic gaming sessions on the move. Despite its compact dimensions, it boasts all the ergonomics and controls of a full-size controller, crafted in a contoured design tailored for extended play sessions. Whether you're gaming on a Nintendo Switch, Android device, or the latest iPads, Macs, and Apple TV, this versatile controller seamlessly pairs via Bluetooth or USB, ensuring universal compatibility across platforms. Enhance your gameplay with turbo functionality, immersive vibration feedback, and even motion controls on supported devices. Plus, with an impressive 18-hour battery life and rapid USB-C charging, you'll never have to miss out on a gaming opportunity. The OtterBox Statement Series Studio is an advanced case tailored for the new Apple iPad Pro, perfect for modern professionals seeking a fusion of protection and versatility. This state-of-the-art case features an adjustable stand to enhance productivity, integrated protective elements to shield against drops, and a dedicated compartment for storing and charging the Apple Pencil. Available for both the iPad Pro 13-inch and iPad Pro 11-inch models, this case reflects meticulous craftsmanship. Crafted from premium materials like genuine leather and robust polycarbonate, it ensures long-lasting performance. The detachable folio offers multiple viewing angles for tasks such as typing, viewing, or drawing, while the magnetic closure provides added security and convenience. Whether you're working, streaming, or creating, the OtterBox Statement Series Studio for Apple iPad seamlessly combines style, functionality, and durability in an elegant package. Introducing the Plugable USB-C stand dock, a versatile accessory that combines an adjustable iPad stand with a comprehensive USB-C hub. Its double hinge design allows for effortless tilting, ensuring optimal viewing and camera positioning. The hub component offers diverse connectivity options, including an HDMI port for external display support, 2 USB-A ports, an SD and micro SD card reader, an audio jack, and dual USB-C ports. One for power pass-through up to 100W and another for connecting the hub to the iPad. With 100W pass-through charging, your device remains powered throughout your work sessions. This thoughtfully designed solution enhances iPad functionality by integrating a capable docking station. By blending a sturdy stand with a feature-rich hub, the Plugable 8-in-1 USB-C iPad dock is an attractive option for iPad users looking to enhance productivity and connectivity. Here is the Logitech Slim Folio Pro keyboard case, a versatile companion designed to complement its flexibility. This ultra-slim folio effortlessly adjusts to your needs with 3 distinct modes. Boost productivity with the backlit keyboard, complete with iPadOS shortcut keys for common actions like search and media controls. Need to sketch or take notes? Collapse it into sketch mode and utilize your Apple Pencil directly on the screen. For immersive reading, fold the keyboard back into read mode. Despite its sleek design, this rugged case offers full coverage while maintaining access to ports, buttons, and the iPad Pro camera. With up to 3 months of battery life between charges, you can stay productive or entertained all day, unplugged. Presenting the OtterBox Statement Series Studio, a state-of-the-art case tailored for the new Apple iPad Pro, ideal for modern professionals seeking a blend of protection and versatility. This cutting-edge case boasts an adjustable stand to boost productivity, integrated protective features to safeguard against drops, and a dedicated compartment for storing and charging the Apple Pencil. Available for both the iPad Pro 13-inch and iPad Pro 11-inch models, this case showcases meticulous craftsmanship. Constructed from premium materials such as genuine leather and robust polycarbonate, it ensures enduring performance. The detachable folio provides various viewing angles, catering to tasks like typing, viewing, or drawing, while the magnetic closure adds an extra layer of security and convenience. Whether you're working, streaming, or creating, the OtterBox Statement Series Studio for Apple iPad combines style, functionality, and durability in a sleek package. So that's all! Thanks for watching our video. If you want to stay updated on the newest releases, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. See you next time!